Welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to draw the cross sections. Okay, so as known, in every highway project there should be like cross sections to show the cut and fill. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to draw the cross sections. Okay, so first of all, head to the home tab, then click on the section views here and create multiple views. Alright, then you could choose the automatic station range, or you can specify your own, but for this video purposes I'm going to make it automatic. Okay, then hit on create section views and click on any empty place you want. And here we go. Okay, so as you see, we have drawn the cross sections here. So this is for the 20 station. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, as you can see here, different elevations. Yeah, so these are the cross sections for our road. Okay, so I think that this is all for this video. You go to the section views and you choose the create multiple views, and you have the choice to make the stations by your own choice or to make them automatic, and you will get those cross sections. So this is all for this video. I hope you got some advantages from it. Thank you for your watching, and see you in the last video. Bye bye.